If you're trying to log into cashapp on a browser and it's not working, you're not alone. In 2026, a lot of users are running into issues with the web login, from pages not loading to verification errors. So the question is, how do you fix cashapp web login and browser issues fast? Let's go step by step. First, you need to understand something important. Cashapp is primarily designed as a mobile-first platform, which means the web version can sometimes be limited or less stable compared to the app. That's why login problems happen more often in browsers. Now let's go into the fixes. The first and most common fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies over time. Your browser stores data that can interfere with login sessions. If that data becomes outdated or corrupted, it can prevent websites like cashapp from loading properly. So go into your browser settings. Clear cache and cookies, then restart your browser and try logging in again. Next, try using a different browser. Sometimes the issue is not cashapp, it's your browser. For example, switching from Chrome to Edge or Firefox can instantly solve the problem. Some browsers handle security and sessions differently, which can affect login performance. Another important fix is disabling extensions. Ad blockers, VPN extensions, and privacy tools can block scripts that cashapp needs to function correctly. Temporarily disable extensions and then try logging in again. Speaking of VPNs, this is a big one. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. Cashapp has strict security systems, and if it detects unusual locations or masked IP addresses, it may block your login attempt or trigger errors. Now let's talk about verification issues. If you're not receiving a login code or it keeps failing, make sure your phone number or email is correct. Your device has a stable internet connection. You're not blocking SMS or emails. Also, try requesting the code again after a minute instead of spamming requests. Another fix that works surprisingly often is simply checking cashapp's server status. Sometimes the issue is not on your side. If the platform is down or experiencing issues, the web login may stop working temporarily. In that case, you just need to wait. Now here's something many people don't realize: cashapp's web login is limited compared to the mobile app. Some features may not work properly or may not be available at all. So if you keep having issues, the best solution might be to use the mobile app instead, where everything is optimized. Also, make sure your browser is fully updated. An outdated browser can cause compatibility issues with modern websites like cashapp. And finally, if nothing works, try logging in from a different device or network. This helps you identify whether the issue is with your device, your internet, or your account. So let's quickly recap. If cashapp web login is not working, clear your cache and cookies. Try a different browser. Disable extensions and VPNs, check your verification details. Make sure the platform isn't down. And if needed, switch to the mobile app. In short, most cashapp browser issues are easy to fix once you know where to look. If this helped you, let me know in the comments, what error are you getting when trying to log in?